Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. If since nobody's watching yet, we love it. Just a real quick recap of today. This week so far, I haven't gone live. I've been feeling under the weather. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice or not. It's just serious congestion upstairs. But yeah, let's go ahead and share the screen. Get this thing on par. So today I went online and I went to Webull Margins webpage so I could kind of see some extra stocks because although I do enjoy the Russell's 2000, I wanted to check some other things out today, and so kind of go over that and kind of see what happened and make this just a quick recap and kind of go over the week so far. So let's start with the week. Let's start with my individual account because that's where I started on the week. All right. So yesterday I pulled in a quick $8. I hadn't. I didn't trade in the morning. I had school, so school day is a little bit rougher to start. And like I said, I've been sick, so I didn't wake up for the bell. So after school, I got on and I kind of checked some things and got my screener right here. And I actually listened to Russ Cameron's stream and checked his stock out, and that's what I made my trades on. It was a pretty volatile stock, so I got in and got 2 quick trades done, and we called that a day. It was on UGrow, which I might do a recap of that video because what he was showing on his screen did not look like anything that I saw anywhere that day on my screen. So usually his seems accurate, like his a little bit questioning his chart. Anyway, so you can see right here, UGrow. Did a quick, pulled out 646. $57. That's where I made most of my money, and then almost 700 right here, and we lost 5 right there. So between the 2 trades, 1 for 1, made more. That's what we like to see. I don't care if it's only an $8 plus. Making more on wins than losses is what I'm really, my new goal is at this time, because if I'm shooting 50-50 but my wins are bigger, then at least I'm coming out ahead, right? Which has not been the case before. So my P&L down $8 over the last few days. It's whatever. It's not too horrible. I've been thinking a lot, like maybe it would have been a lot wiser for me to, instead of doing stock trading like I am, to just put into invest and do like long-term days and then pull out when the things are ahead. So, but hindsight would have been an interesting way to do it. I should have done that with my Robinhood, but I had enough going on. I wasn't paying attention, and I'm shutting down my Robinhood account. So maybe we'll add some of that over here and just use it for a living. But yeah, so overall today's been a red day for both accounts, it looks like. I bought in for BIF today. It was on a the momentum was up. It was very bullish. And so I was like, oh, okay. I'm just going to throw in a bid here and go to my doctor's appointment, which is dumb that I got stopped out here. So my doctor's appointment was about which I can't believe I got stopped out on this. That's some bogus. I got in. $100 shares. Back here. And this is what I was expecting to come back to with 50 of it. But I came back and it was a loss. So that's frustrating. And then I just clocked into, I bought into some Microsoft before close. Anytime it's below 400, I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy in. It just depends on how much I want to put in there. So let's see where it goes in the next day or two. We'll just let it sit in there, and hopefully it gets back up to its 420 range. And we'll sit on it and kind of see where it goes for a couple days. Let's go to my futures account. I was kind of trading a couple other things. I was watching a live trader. And I don't know. You guys tell me what you think about this idea of prop firms, buying a prop firm. So you pay $100. I don't know much about it, but you pay $100, $200 to get a prop firm, and you pass their seed or whatever, and then so they fund you, and then you trade with their money, and then somehow you make money off of that. You don't get all your money, obviously. But this guy is die hard on it, and I was thinking about it. Well, it's not that bad of an idea. Gives you some room to maneuver, and you're already down the $100, so you're not worried about losses, and that's probably my biggest worry right now. Seeing this right here is just really like, gosh dang it. I was at my doctor's appointment, got back just barely, so I totally missed this rise, and that's horrid. Let's see if we can see my orders. There's the level 2. Okay. Right here, order history. Webull kind of sucks, but whatever. So let me show you where on the day. We'll just go to the account because it's easier to see in the summary. So, newsflash: there's a fee for futures, and so I didn't realize that. And I'm like, there's one thing I'm really not following my rules, and I think that's where I have ideas, but I'm afraid of losing anything. So I'm willing to risk X amount, which I should profit. It should be a 2-to-1 ratio, as everybody said. Like, that's what I should be doing. But I'm getting in late, or I'm setting my stop loss, and I'm moving it up because I'm afraid to lose anything. So I don't let the trade play out, which that probably come up a little bit. Right here on my loss for the day, which cost me everything, really. Oh, now it's saying it's 0. Interesting. It was negative $2 earlier, just a minute ago. But right here, it's negative 12.24. I was like, I didn't have anything like that. Where'd that come from? But if you look right here, I bought right there. I think it glitched on me, and the trade cost me $12 because it glitched. And yeah, that sucks. Otherwise, I would have been up $10, $15 on this, and I would have been happy. So it's whatever. Yeah, gonna go live tomorrow. I think I'm gonna watch this guy as he trades. Not emulate him because he's behind. I'm behind him anyway. So, but you know, that way you're not alone all day trading. I got school, so I really struggled to wake up this week. I was pretty dedicated to wake up early, get on at the open of the bell. But yeah, this cold has just been holding me back a little bit. So hopefully I can get over that and we can get this week pretty good. But what do you guys think about the Martin thing? What do you guys think about doing reaction videos to traders and things like that? Let me know in the comments if anybody watches this, and if you do, thanks for watching.